какого фига у меня столько денег? У меня столько денег, потому что... У меня столько денег, ребят, потому что я...
Choose from an aspiring range.
Чтобы получить эту взломку, необходимо на это видео набрать 20 лайков. Давайте, ребята.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
20 лайков, ребята, не забудьте. Ладно, я покажу проходить. Ну, ребята, пошли.
This pizza parlor's no pushover.
Жопа! Ну, у меня бесконечная жизнь.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the grove, motherfucker.
Get some of this in. And you don't need a date to do what you think is right. Get funked up right now.
Me and the old house man gonna tell you about a worm.
Oh, now you block.
Funkiest worm in the world. Okay, sing it, son.
You're in trouble now, fool.
That's right, that's right. Six feet down. He only comes around. When he wants to get down, but when he comes out of his hole, he sounds something like this. Oh, that's funky, that's funky. Like 9 cans of shaving powder, that's funky. Come on with it again, brother, come on with it.
Все готово.
Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti, too. Later, homie.
Гоним, ребята, сейчас дом Джонсонов сохранился.
Come on, fat boy. Hey, wait up.
Так, садимся. Так,
You go get him, and I'll keep the engine running.
When will I find true love?
что за лаги? Как и что? Где Супермен? Вы. Супермен, Супермен, суперсильный во всем мире. Ну да, не прошло.
Come on, let's cruise into baller's territory.
Ah, where the police when you need them?
Get in, nickel.
кабачок.
I warn you, I don't give a okay, bitch. Ooh. Now you better shut up.
Я не сдохну никогда. Привет,
I'm not no more.
You hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another hood.
And you with him? You banging?
You ain't got it yet? OGS, bitch.
да чё?
Oh. Huh? What? You deserve this.
Я эта штука. А, я ее пропустил. Вот. Вот он. Перекрасим. Ну, балласы давайте. Давай побрызгаем.
What the fuck?
I ain't got all day.
Get that fool!
You strapping with the champ, fool.
Бегите.
What you touching me
Я не
for?
сказала бегите.
Come on.
I'll see you later, girl.
Show me that you a man. Ah,
Как по этой штуке стрелять невозможно. Да прекратите.
bitch ass bench warmer.
Ну, правда, все. Вы мне надоели.
It's on now. You want some of this?
Общайся, трясь. О, я их так всех пооткидываю. Давайте сейчас сделаем.
I thought I left all this behind me.
Надо жирность побрать. Блин, мы не дотягиваем. Вот такой я жирный.
Trust funds for everyone.
I'm trying to drive.
Yes, I know.
Давайте, ребят, как мы туда проберемся. Мы должны туда пробраться.
Excuse me, sir.
Там мы пробовали. Наш персонаж это имело нормально. Пробуем, смотрим. Во, вот здесь. Вот здесь. Персонаж такой. Ну, басик.
Hey man, who's the stupid puto on the road?
Не валите из машины.
You gonna have to walk now, sucker.
Come on, move your arm.
You can't get an F. You're on level. Your own body
Есть. Ты же рождай, чтобы никогда не залез. Нормально. Жопа, нам... дважды надо нажать. О, я все тупил, ребят.
Come, quick, get in!
Ау. Я сажусь, чел, сажусь.
Get us back to the hood, CJ.
I'm scared, loco, you so wild. Do us all this now that your brain is hot. Don't be hitting the head too many times. I'm staying trying to act cool. But you should know, you're so cool, I'm a cool, you a cool. You just a beat when you can't get an M. Your own body doesn't back you up. They just look at your ass and call you a pooper. So I'm looking at my this in your box. This is what I
Call my pimp.
Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Я пошел выполнять миссию.
Hey, you gotta...
Hey, beat up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
do no silence now that your brain is
No
hot.
wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure.
What you think, fool?
Они меня простят.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is. Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Здесь на этом свече есть дубинка, чтобы перебивать его. Звездочки. Так, ладно, все, дубинка в руках. Все в руках.
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies. Get out my face.
Как называется?
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? Show me, you whore.
Давай, драка. Ну.
Hey, you getting fresh with me,
I'm
punk?
warning you, motherfucker. Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie.
Вот такой
Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussy.
Дохнул.
Hey, Buster, wait up.
Get off the road! I want to take a piss!
Вы говорили мне, что у меня жира и мускулы. У меня не есть мускулы, такого жира. Так что я должен бегать
Where are all the Johns tonight?
по рельсам. Все, почти добежали и...
Wait. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Ну,
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do
Grove Street going down!
ninja these motherfuckers.
Hey, no time to clown, homie.
а лучше дубинка
Try and hit
бьет.
me.
Oh. Man, I'm gonna give you what you come for.
Жопа. Он меня напал. Это гаденыш. Помни,
Hell no! Get him up, punk!
ловушку. Жопа, он встал. Где он? Где выход?
Who you think you touching, homeboy?
Мы здесь всех поизбивали. Никого не забыли. Ну такой пойдем. Нет, ребят, где выход? Выход, ты где? Ищем выход. А, вот выход, прямо у нас перед глазами.
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't even run out on me. Time's changing.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
Man, I'll warn the gang later.
Hey dude, keep up.
Don't you bust on me. For now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker. Stop!
Тупая Настя. О, коп! Садимся.
So just keep the game, don't call it crap. 'Cause to me, like a one-hard rap. Love my sisters, don't crack cocaine. So the night was pregnant. 600 million on the football team that I bet got just like a story I tell is
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
What's happening with you, Ryder?
Respect. Carl, you drive. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
Погоди, пацан. Погодите, пацаны, я ничего не сделал сейчас, в своем доме забыл. Блин, я забыл сохранить. Ай, похрен.
What are you waiting?
Our moms get killed. We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green saber doing the work, then speeding away.
Yeah, but people like to talk, don't they?
Владение дубинкой.
Stab out of here, CJ. Hit it. Go, go, go. Come on, CJ. Earn your keep. Hit the gas. We gotta ice these niggas. Why you ain't blasting, Smoke?
I'll shoot them when I'm done eating.
Quit stuffing your motherfucking mouth. Let's go.
I ain't stuffing it, homie. I'm enjoying my meal. Hey, kill the asshole! Ah, shit, this is a great sample.
Smoke, stop stuffing your face and start popping them balls.
I'm trying to enjoy my food.
And those fools are trying to enjoy our death. Now come on, Smoke, shoot!
Hey, I'm just finishing my fry. My special.
Speed up a
Oh,
little.
shit, boys.
You got
Grand
ketchup
G.
all over the seat.
The business at hand, motherfucker. The business at hand.
But these was clean
Move it,
beans.
CJ.
Motherfucking car. CJ, watch the damn road.
Appreciate
man.
that.
Chill,
Jesus,
motherfucker. This ain't a Sunday drive situation.
Stab out of here, CJ. Soda. It's all over the fucking floor. Well, you can suck it up once we're done. Now keep your eyes on the baller car. Let's roll. Get in, nigga. Speed up a little. We sit.
Needed a release all day.
Move.
Hey, I'm sorry about this.
Learn how to drive, pal.
Damn, that was some serious shit. Yeah, man, those baller fools won't try that again. Carl, let's get back to the Grove.
All right, I'm on it.
Oh, man. That food filled a hole.
You chubby motherfucker. Next time you better start blasting or I'm gonna blast you myself. Smoke you wide, man. I mean wide.
And that's why you love me, baby. That's one up for the Grove.
Say what, Smoke?
Who was with you back there, Smoke?
Man, if you can eat your food while everybody else is losing theirs and blaming you, you straight, homie.
What?
Nothing. Just some pork.
Hey, Smoke, tell me why you moved out the Grove.
Man, got some money from my aunt. I mean, it's a nice place and all, but the Grove is in my heart, baby. It's where my dogs is at.
Yeah, okay, homie.
Hey, thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around.
Ну, давайте посмотрим на карте. У нас осталось немного всего. У нас все скоро много откроется, ребята. Пока что всем пока. С вами я, Никита. Всем пока. Вот. Мы продолжим. Серия. Давайте рот открывать. А, ты так говорить хоть? Всем пока.
Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work with Tenpenny and Pulaski.
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just a bitch.
You watch your tone, boy. Now listen, I've got a message from Officer Tenpenny. Don't try and leave town. That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
Тварь.